Hello, in this video I will demonstrate how to perform a z-test for the difference between two means using the p-value method. We begin with the following problem. It says a researcher is measuring the lifespans of squirrels in different parts of LA County. The researcher claims that the squirrels in urban areas have an average lifespan that is greater than squirrels who live in rural areas. Test the researcher's claim using alpha is 0.05. We're given the summarized data, urban area, San Fernando, actually this should be rural area. And since we're given the two population standard deviations, this informs us that we're performing a z-test, but we also want to use the p-value. So we have the urban areas designated with subscript 1, rural area subscript 2. So the researcher's claim is that mu1 is greater than mu sub 2. That's H sub 1 statement because it's greater than. H naught always has the equal sign. Mu1 equals mu2. We calculate the test point z. So we have the difference in the sample means. 8.8 minus 6.6 minus the difference in the population mean. Since H naught they're equal, we set them equal to 0. Divided by the square root of 2.32 squared over 30 plus 3.42 squared over 48. When we calculate this using a calculator or Excel, we end up with 3.38. So when we're trying to find the p-value, we need to first compute the tail area. So we don't look up any critical values. We only focus on the tail area of 3.38. So we have the value 3.38. Using table E, we look up the z value 3.38. So here's 3.3. 8 is 0.9996. That gives us the area to the left. Remember, every time we look up an area in table E, it's always the area to the left. We desire to find this tail area, so we have to compute 1 minus 0.9996. That's going to be equal to 0.0004. And since it's a one-tailed test, that's the p-value. The p-value is 0.0004. And since the p-value is less than alpha, the null hypothesis is rejected. And so we can then summarize that there is enough evidence to support the claim. Thanks for watching the video.